Are you a student trying to build your credit score and earn some amazing rewards at the same time? Well, you are in luck, because in today's video, we are diving into the best student credit cards in the USA that can help you kickstart your financial journey the smart way. Whether you want cashback, no annual fees, or easy approval, I've got the best options lined up just for you. Welcome to RichMap, where we help you make smarter money moves and achieve financial freedom faster. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family, because every week we share simple, real-world tips to help you grow your money and credit. Now, let's get started with the first card on our list, the Discover It Student Cashback Card. This card is one of the most popular student options for a reason. You earn 5% cashback on rotating categories like gas stations, grocery stores, Amazon, and restaurants, and 1% on everything else. But here is the best part: Discover will match all your cash back at the end of your first year. So if you earn $100 in rewards, they will give you another $100 for free. That's like doubling your rewards instantly. Plus, there's no annual fee and no credit history required to apply. For students just starting out, this is a perfect way to build credit while earning real value. Next up, the Chase Freedom Student Credit Card. Chase has built a solid reputation for reliability, and this student version does not disappoint. You get a $50 bonus after your first purchase, literally free money. You'll also earn 1% cash back on every purchase, and Chase will automatically review your account every year to consider an upgrade to a regular Freedom Card once you build a good track record. Another big advantage: responsible use can help you increase your credit limit in just 5 months. That's a great way to build a strong credit score quickly. Now let's talk about the Capital One Saver One Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. If you love dining out, ordering takeout, or streaming Netflix, this one's for you. You earn 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and groceries, and 1% on all other purchases. Plus, there are no annual fees or foreign transaction fees, making it great for international students. Capital One also offers free access to CreditWise, so you can monitor your credit score anytime. The rewards are strong, and the approval odds are friendly, especially for students with limited credit. The next card on the list is the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards for Students. What makes this card special is flexibility. You can choose your own 3% cashback category, whether it's online, shopping, gas, travel, dining, or drugstores, and earn 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, plus 1% on everything else. If you use your Bank of America account, you can even get a 10% bonus on your cashback when you redeem it into your savings or checking account. It is a smart choice for students who already bank with Buffet or want more control over their rewards. Let's move to another strong option, the Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. If you prefer simplicity over rotating categories, this card is perfect. You earn 1.5% cashback on every purchase, every day. There's no annual fee, and the rewards never expire. Capital One also offers the same benefits like CreditWise, monitoring, and fraud protection, making it one of the easiest cards to manage responsibly. It's a great all-rounder that helps you focus on building good credit habits without worrying about tracking categories or limits. Now, for students who love tech and travel, the Deserve EDU MasterCard for Students is worth a look. This one is specifically designed for international students who might not have a social security number or credit history yet. You can qualify with your student visa and proof of enrollment. Deserve EDU gives 1% cash back on all purchases, a free Amazon Prime student membership for a year, and cell phone protection if you pay your bill with a card. That's a big deal for students who are just settling into college life in the US. Let's not forget the City Rewards Plus Student Card. It's unique because it rounds up every purchase to the nearest 10 points. So even if you buy a $2 coffee, you earn points as if you spent $10. You also get 2x points at supermarkets and gas stations on the first dollar, 6,000 spent per year, and 1x points on everything else. Citi also gives you a 10% points rebate when you redeem your rewards. That's like getting a little extra every time you cash out. Before you rush to apply for one, here's an important tip. Only apply for one student card at a time. Each credit card application adds a small inquiry to your credit report, and too many can hurt your score. Make sure you pick the one that fits your lifestyle best, whether that's cashback, dining, or travel rewards. And always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Building credit as a student might sound complicated, but it's one of the most powerful things you can do for your financial future. A good credit score will help you rent an apartment, get a car loan, and even lower your insurance rates later. So start early, use your card responsibly, and let your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also looking to build their credit. Comment below which student credit card you think is the best, or if you already have one, tell me how your experience has been. This is Rich Map, helping you map your way to financial success. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, where we make money make sense.